TY38. Top of the morning, detail world. We already headed to this first appointment, man. We should get there on time, but right now the temperature says it's 37 degrees. If you can see that, 37 degrees, man. So y'all already know how it go. Already got the van already loaded up and things like that, man. So y'all already know how it go, man. Consider you be great this morning, man. Whatever you got going on this morning, try to accomplish it today, man. Like my mom used to tell me when I was a young kid, man, why put it off tomorrow? Why put it off tomorrow when you can do it today? So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, YouTube, what it do. We done made it to this first appointment out here in North Nashville near TSU and Fish University. Right now we're just doing exterior cleanings on these fleet vehicles. Right now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to do. We just doing exteriors. We just giving it a good cleaning. He said they're getting rid of these vehicles. They're about to sell them. So I'm about to just give them a good exterior cleaning. And then every first Friday or last Friday of the month, they have about 6 to 8 or 9 vehicles. He said they want me to come clean every month. So this is a company that I come to on the usual, but this first time me ever doing a fleet vehicle. So like I said, we already knocked this one out. Like I said, we just doing exteriors of them. You know, it wasn't that dirty, but you could tell that it was dirty from what it was. It had bugs all on the front, a little dirt. Wheels are definitely dirty. Just like this one right here. I got my son over there spraying the tires. If you look at it right here, look at the wheels, you can see all the mud inside of there, things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this exterior. This car looking immaculate, and y'all already know. So this is a Chevy Silverado. That's a Chevy Silverado. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this exterior clean, and I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. Peace. YouTube, what it do? Detail world, what it do, man? We already knocked out 1, 2, 3 of the vehicles. This is the first one I showed you. This is the second one we knocked out right here. Like I said, we're just doing the exterior, so it's pretty quick. Really not a lot of work. Basically just cleaning the wheels, cleaning the windows, cleaning the interior, exterior windows, drying it off, tire shining the tires, and it's done. We haven't tire shined any tires. Y'all wait till I wash them all, then get them done. We actually got this one done. You see how clean it is. And you look at this one. This one a little bit dirty. You look at it, a little boxer. But if you look at the wheels right here, just show you how dirty it is right there, man. But y'all already know, man. We're gonna go ahead and continue the job, man. We still got 2 more to go. Just 2 more. 1, 2 right there. I'm gonna get it knocked out. But like I said, we knocked out the first 3. And I'm gonna continue to be great. I hope you be great with me, man. Hit that subscribe button. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. We done got the 5th car done, man. Like I said, we just exterior cleaning, so it really wasn't that much, man. Just make sure the wheels clean, exterior clean, get all the dirt off. But that's the bad thing about some of these vehicles, man. You see they all beat up. That one beat up, that one beat up, this one beat up. They all beat up, but we got all 5 of them done, man. So I'm finna go get paid. You already know, man. I take so much pride in what I do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on in life, man. Because when you take pride into whatever you're doing, remember, it's not considered a job. It's just you doing you. But like I said, go ahead and get paid and head to the house, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.